Hello, third grade. This is a little bit of a different learning video because I want you to watch it after you have completed this assignment. It is to check your work. So make sure that you go and finish your assignment first. All right, we're going to go through in our groups last week. We talked about in and out charts. Now the way these work is they give us a rule at the top, and that means that when we are going from in to out, we follow that rule. When we go the opposite direction, it switches from either subtraction to addition or multiplication to division. Let's go ahead and begin. So for each one of these, we are just adding 100. So that means I'm adding 1 to the hundreds place. So 1 plus 5 is 6. 23 plus 100, 309 plus 100, 778. Check your work. Give yourself a check if you had them correct. Fix it if you did not. Ooh, I went the wrong direction. Hopefully you already caught me. We are subtracting. I tricked myself. So it should be 423, 109, and 678. Next one, we are subtracting 98. I'm going to zoom in to help me a little more. 98. If there's more on the floor, I need to go next door, borrow 1 more, and add 10 next door. 17 minus 8 is 9. 2 minus 9, there's more on the floor, go next door, and borrow 1 more. 1 less than 1 is 0. Add 10 more. 12 minus 9 is 3. Out is 39. On to the next. Always lining up my tens place and my ones place. 0 minus 9, there's more on the floor. Go next door. Take 1 and add 10 more. 10 minus 9 is 1. 7 minus 8, more on the floor. Go next door. Borrow 1 and take 10 next door. 17 minus 8 is 9. 1 minus nothing is 1. 191. Minus 89. More on the floor, go next door. Take 1 away and add 10 more. 13 minus 9 is 4. 0 minus 8. More on the floor, go next door. Take 1 and add 10 more. 10 minus 8 is 2. And 4 minus nothing is 4. 424. I am not going to give you the answers for the following one. You will have to answer those on your own, and I will be checking them. Now this is where it gets kind of tricky because the sign changes. Right now we are adding from in to out. But if we are going the opposite direction, from out to in, that means we need to subtract. And our rule says subtract 190. All right, let's begin. First one, we have to add 190. 0 plus 0 is 0. 9 plus 9, 18. Carry the 1. Drop 1 on the floor, bring the other next door. 1 plus 1 is 2. 280. Now we're going from out to in, so that means we change the sign. We're still subtracting, and we are still using 190. Subtracting 190. I have to use different colors so you can see it. There we go. 8 minus 0 is 8. 8 minus 9. There's more on the floor, so I need to go next door, borrow 1, and bring 10 next door. 18 minus 9 is 9. 1 minus 1 is 0, but I do not have to write that 0. So the answer is 98. When I'm looking at your work, if I do not see your written work, it is wrong. These are things you cannot do in your head. We are practicing carrying and borrowing. So if you don't show that you carried and borrowed, then I think you cheated and you will have to redo it. All right, we're going from in to out. That means we are adding 190. 0 plus 6 is 6. 0 plus 9 is 9. And 3 plus 1 is 4. 496. Easy peasy one. Add 190. 6 plus 0 is 6. 1 plus 9 is 10. Drop 1 on the floor, bring the other next door. 1 plus 6 is 7. Plus 1 is 8. 806. This is the last one we will do together. For this one, we have to find the rule. So that means from here to here, what do I have to do? From in to out, what do I have to do? So it looks like it's going from a smaller number to a larger number. So that means that I am going to add. How many jumps would I have to make from my tens place 1 to my tens place 7? 6. How many jumps would I have to make from 0 to 6? 6. So I need to add 6. If I go from out to in, then I'll be subtracting 6. I'll add 66. 6 plus 6 is 12. Carry the 1. Well, 6 plus 6 is 12. Plus 1 more is 13. 132. I know I'm erasing my work, but I want you to make sure that you keep yours on there, or you can do it on the side. Again, I'm adding 66 from in to out. 9 plus 6, 15. Drop the 5, carry the 1. 6 plus 8, I know that is 14, plus 1 more is 15. 155. Remember, this is just checking. You should not be doing this along with me unless you did it incorrectly and you need to fix your work. You are just checking your work. And now we are going from out to in, so our sign changes, but our number stays the same. So we're subtracting 66. 9 minus 6 is 3. 2 minus 6, more on the floor, go next door, borrow 1, and bring 10 next door. 12 minus 6 is 6. 1 minus nothing is 1. 163. All right, make sure that you have the other two completed, and then this is all you're doing for your homework for today.